Hello students, today we will start with a new topic of English, that is the poem How Beautiful is the Rain. How Beautiful is the Rain by H.W. Longfellow. He was an American poet and educator. The pleasure of rain after a scorching summer is something that we all have experienced. Rain is much awaited after a long period of time as we get relief when rain shower after a long time. In this poem, the poet describes it in the simplest of language. He is overjoyed by the shower in a hot day, and it shows his excitement and happiness about rain. So before moving to the poem, let's go through some new words. First is scorching. Scorching means burning. Like it was a scorching summer. It was a scorching hot day. Second is fiery. Fiery means extremely hot. Like fire. Clatters. To move with a rattling sound. When one object strikes to another, then a continuous repeated sound is produced. Okay? So clatter means sound produced by hard hitting objects. Next is tramp. To walk noisily. Hooves. The horny part of the foot of horse is called hoof. Gushes. Gushes means to flow out in a rapid stream. That means to flow out rapidly, very fast. Struggles out. To move out with difficulty. Spout. A stream of liquid from where it comes out with a great force. Swift. Swift means fast. Gutter. Gutter means drain. Roar. To flow with a loud sound. So, roar means to make a loud sound. Now, we'll start reciting the poem. How beautiful is the rain. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hooves. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours, and swift and wide, with the muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars, the rain, the welcome rain. Students, you also recite that poem. Now we will start with the explanation part. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. So, in the first stanza, the poet is mesmerized by the beauty of rain. As it comes after so long, it comes in very hot summer. When rain falls, it settles down all the dust. It washes away all the dust and it cools the atmosphere. And it falls everywhere in the broad and fiery street. It means that it falls everywhere, whether it is broad street or a narrow lane. Fiery, as I've told you earlier, that fiery means burning street. So the rain falls everywhere in the broad and fiery street. How beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hooves. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of overflowing spout. So clatter means a continuous sound as of hard objects are falling. So here, how it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hooves. So here, the poet is comparing the sound of rain with the sound of heavy steps of animals. So when rain falls, it makes sound, and that sound is similar to the sound of heavy steps of animals. How it gushes and struggles out. So gushes means to flow out rapidly. And how it is struggling out from the throat of the overflowing spout. So when the rain falls, the rainwater collects and there is an overflowing pipe through which it comes out. It means that the water is moving out rapidly from the throat of the overflowing spout. So spout means the tube through which the liquid is coming out. Across the window pane, it pours and swift and wide with a muddy tide. Students, as you can see in the picture, the rain is pouring down across the window pane, and when the rain pours down, it moves very fast. So it is running very fast and wide also, and it is carrying mud with it. So it is like a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. During rainfall, the water which is coming out of the spouts or from anywhere else ultimately drain to the gutter, and at that time it seems like a river is flowing down the gutter and making sound. So at that time even the gutter seems like a river. Okay, the rain, the welcome rain. So the poet is welcoming the rain, and also the rain is welcomed by various people at various places because it settles down the dust and cools the atmosphere, and we get relief from the intense heat because it comes in very hot summer and we feel very happy. So this is all about the poem. That is how beautiful is the rain. Rhyming words. Two or more words that have similar ending sound are called as rhyming words. In the poem, you can find out the rhyming words as heat, street, wide, tide, out, spout. So these pair of words have similar ending sound. So these are called rhyming words. Hope you understood the poem and like it as well. Thank you so much, students.